When Justice Nelson Abuodha emerged at around 11:15, the big question was whether he will declare the 25-days-old strike illegal, as had been sought by the Teacher Service Commission, TSC. Both KNUT and KUPPET had defended the strike, terming it legal since it was a continuation of an industrial action they had begun in January this year. And while terming it as legal, Justice Abuodha, in the interest of the Kenyan child who has been out of school for the last 3 weeks, directed that teachers resume duty as parties to the dispute find ways of implementing the 50 to 60% pay hike awarded to teachers.
The petitioner and the respondent within 30 days of this judgment, with the help of the Cabinet Secretary for the time being in charge of labor matters, appoint a neutral and mutually agreeable conciliatory or conciliation committee and engage in conciliation in good faith, limited to exploring the viable modalities of implementing the award in petition number 5 of 2015, bearing in mind the government fiscal policies and budgetary cycle.
But KNUT's lawyer Paul Mwite took issue with the suspension of the strike, asking that they first be accorded an opportunity to interrogate the ruling before deciding their next move. Outside the court, KNUT Secretary General Wilson Sosion maintained the strike is still on and further communication will be issued to its members in due course.
We are still consulting with our lawyers and will come back to court for mention on Monday. And while we are still coming back for mention, the strike remains absolutely active.
Bila elimu nchi hii itasambaratika. Kwa hivyo tunawashukuru, na mwisho wa kazi hii itakuwa tena kazi ya bunge kuhimiza kutenga fedha zinazohitajika ili mwalimu asikie mlio wa pesa katika akaunti yake.
Such were the sentiments shared by KUPPET Secretary General Akelo Misori.
It is supposed to be carried out within the 30 days, which the relief is how to pay. So that is what we are going to listen to. How to pay.
Not how much to pay.
Not how much to pay, but how to pay. The how bit of payment is what is going to be addressed.
And with these sentiments, it remains to be seen whether teachers will heed the court directive that they resume duty, or this will be another subject of litigation at a superior court come next week. Halligan Agade, Scales of Justice.